Welcome to LauderLook, my team's idea for the ELC Accessible Beauty Hackathon. On my team, I have Tiffany, me, Arushi, and Anika, all people with a common love for makeup, skincare, and technology. We have noticed a prominent problem in the beauty industry, a lack of accurate and user-friendly resources to help visually impaired people use and apply makeup. An example of this is Estee Lauder's virtual makeup assistant. Although it is a great start for bridging the gap in accessibility, I found that it lacks accuracy and usability. I tried putting on eyeshadow on one eye to see if it would notice, but after using it several times, it still wasn't able to recognize such an issue, which is why we have come up with a new solution.
Our solution with LauderLook will amplify Estee's existing virtual makeup assistant app by adding more unique features and sharpening existing features.
Welcome to LauderLook, empowering beauty beyond sight. The app will start with a login screen where you can choose to log in with Google or Face ID. Then there are onboarding screens which show the features of the app. Next, the AI will scan the user's face so that it can generate customized looks for the user. Then they will enter their portal, and this is where they can access either makeup or skincare. The user chose makeup and decided to go for the full glam look. Now they will be directed through all the steps necessary for them to complete the look. After that, the makeup will be scanned to check for mistakes. Then there is an option to go back to the portal. The user then chose skincare and wanted to talk to an expert. They scheduled an appointment and then they get confirmation of it. That's all for the demo.
All of our features include logging in with Face ID or have an option to also do Google login, onboarding with a friendly voice speaking, initializing facial consultation, customized looks and routines personalized using AI, makeup in the skincare portal, step-by-step feedback with assistance, suggested makeup purchasing, and last but not least, AI trained on datasets with more specific facial features, for example, eyes with and without makeup, etc., to make it more accurate. Our value proposition, what makes LauderLook unique, is that we implemented early AI consultation trained with datasets with more specific accessing facial features like skin tones, skin concerns, etc. Next, personalized makeup and skincare routines for easier access. Expert consultation booking with confirmation of previous makeup and skincare application. And last but not least, suggested makeup and skincare products suitable for each client after the consultation.
Here is the competitive landscape of our app. There are many other makeup apps out there such as L'Oreal Makeup Genius and Sephora Virtual Artist used to try on makeup. But from our research, we found that these apps often lack in areas of accuracy, accessibility for the visually impaired, and step-by-step makeup application. Our app, LauderLooks, targets these three needs to create the best app. Here is a quick look at two ways we would earn profit. Suggested makeup products will encourage users to buy more Estee Lauder products through in-app purchasing, and paid makeup consultations will contribute to the profit as well. This is also related to our marketing strategy, which will earn us many more customers. Our marketing strategy would be getting social media influencers to promote the app by getting it, trying it, and giving feedback, such as Molly Buck, a famous visually impaired YouTuber, and Aria Mia Liberti, one of our amazing judges. There'll also be videos on the Estee Lauder YouTube channel, which will show these influencers demoing the app, and we'll also have videos on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook showing how the app is used. We can also have brand campaigns featuring visually impaired people. This will all contribute to a higher revenue for Estee Lauder and their products.
So here are some estimated costs that we will have in order to make our app. There will be research and development, which will create the machine learning algorithm, and the machine will be able to recognize and provide advice on makeup application. And this would cost around $25,000. And then there will be the data collection and labeling, which will be a collection of a large data set to be able to train the model. And this will include sourcing and labeling images, which will cost around $20,000. So there's also cloud computing to train and run the AI algorithm. So there'll be cloud services such as AWS or Microsoft Azure that would be needed. And this would cost an estimated $15,000. And then lastly, and most importantly, the app development itself. And this would include the user interface, the coding, and the testing of the app. And this would be our largest investment, and it would be around $80,000. This brings us to a total estimated cost of $140,000.
Where we're looking for LauderLook to be in the future is that we are going to implement in-app purchasing after monitoring app use with a lot more data analytics and user experience research. We are going to add community features and rebrand it as an app for everyone to use, more deep dive into broad range of target market rather than have a specific focus on visually impaired people. More makeup looks and customization based on working with essay experts to determine which makeup looks to add. And last but not least, adding near field communication chips can be attached to make products and connect them to the app and help users determine which products to use. And this concludes our presentation on our LauderLook application. Thank you for tuning in with us.